Hi, welcome to today's episode where we'll be diving deep into the concept of purpose, especially when it comes to men in today's world. So, what does it mean to be a man with purpose? In many ways, it can be summed up into three roles: a provider, a protector, and a creator. These are timeless values that resonate deeply in the essence of what it means to be a man, yet they have evolved over time. Today, we'll explore these three pillars of purpose and how they shape the life of a man. So let's start with the role of being a provider. Being a provider is one of the oldest concepts attached to manhood. Historically, men were hunters and gatherers, tasked with the responsibility of bringing the food to the family. Today, that role has taken on new forms. Providing is no longer just about putting food on the table. It encompasses the ability to offer security, emotional support, wisdom, and love. Financial stability still plays a huge role, but in this modern world, a man's role as a provider is broader than ever before. We need to provide guidance, strength, and compassion. We provide by being present, by actively listening, and by fostering environment where our loved ones can thrive. To be a provider today means giving more than resources. It's about giving of yourself. Time, attention, and care are equally important. The key here is balance. Some men might feel that their sole value comes from their paycheck, but in reality, that's only part of the story. Providing means showing up in every sense of the word for your spouse, your children, your community, and to yourself. Now let's shift to the idea of being a protector. This is another role that traditionally has meant safeguarding our loved ones from physical harm. But in our modern lives, being a protector means so much more. Of course, physical protection is still vital, but we also need to protect emotionally and mentally. We protect the well being of those we love by offering emotional safety, by creating an environment where vulnerability is accepted and nurtured. To protect means to shield others from unnecessary harm, but also to empower them. It's about standing up for justice, integrity, and values when the world tests them. Protection isn't just about reacting to threats, it's also about creating systems and foundations that prevent harm in the first place. Whether it's in relationship, at work, or in our community, being a protector requires strength, but it also demands wisdom. But let's not forget, being a protector also means protecting yourself. You can pour from an empty cup. Mental health, physical health, spiritual well being, all of these need safeguarding too. And that's something men need to embrace more openly. It's not a weakness to seek help or to admit when you need rest. Protecting yourself is as noble as protecting others. Finally, let's talk about being a creator. This is perhaps the most overlooked aspect of a man's purpose, but it's one of the most powerful. We were made to create, whether it's in art, music, businesses, or families. The art of creation is fundamental to who we are. In creating, we leave a legacy. We contribute something unique to the world that wasn't there before. And I don't just mean in the traditional sense of building a career or a home, though those are important. I mean creating a life that reflects your values, your beliefs, and your purpose. We can create environments of positivity. We can create opportunities for growth in others. We can create pathways for the next generation to follow. Being a creator is about being intentional. It's about looking at the world around you and asking yourself, what can I contribute? How can I make this better? Creativity isn't reserved for artists or entrepreneurs. It's something we all have within us. We create with every choice, with every action, with every conversation. So often, men get caught up in the hustle of providing and protecting that we forget our power to shape the world. But being a creator reminds us of our ability to craft our futures, to inspire, and also to innovate. Now, these three roles, provider, protector, and creator, aren't isolated, they intertwine. You can't be a good provider if you're not also protecting and creating. You cannot be a good protector if you're not also providing security and opportunities for growth. And you can't be a true creator if you're not providing and protecting a space for your ideas to flourish. The purpose of a man is found in the balance of these roles. A life filled with meaning comes from the daily practice of providing, protecting, and creating in all aspects of life. Remember that. And here's the thing, these roles aren't fixed. They don't have to look the same for everyone. Your way of providing might be different from mine. The way you protect or create might evolve as you do. That's the beauty of it. It's about embracing these values in a way that's authentic to who you are. In the end, being a man with purpose isn't about fitting into some predefined mold. It's about living with intention, with courage, and with compassion. As we wrap up today's episode, I encourage you to take a moment and reflect. How are you providing for those around you? How are you protecting what matters most? And how are you creating a legacy that reflects your values? Thank you for tuning in today. And remember, your purpose is not just about what you do, it's about who you become in the process. Until next time, keep growing, keep providing, keep protecting, and keep creating. Bye bye.